Now listen to me, y'all. Listen to me and listen to me very well. Y'all must have thought I wasn't gonna react to this, huh? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm just not finding out that she dropped this. Nigga, I ain't even know she dropped this. You feel me? I always knew there was a version of this out of the Amazon, you know what I'm saying, live version, but I never could find it. Nobody linked it to me, first of all. But it was never on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It was never on YouTube. But we're here now. And honestly, bro, I know some of you are probably tired of me listening to this song, bro. Because it's the same thing every time. But we going to have to keep listening to this bitch until she tells me I can't listen to this shit no more, man. We going to have to, bro. This is like, bro, I ain't going to lie to y'all. This has to be top 3 Billie Eilish songs of all time, bro. I'm just being honest with y'all, man. And no, I'm not gassing it up. I know I haven't heard all of her, like, you know what I'm saying, catalog. But, like, bro, hear me out, man. This song you can play whenever, any vibe, bro. You can play this song at any point of your day. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I feel like just for that alone, bro, it has to be top 3, bro. It has to be top 3. And we here now. Been waiting for this because I have not even seen it. I've always seen, like I said, I've always seen it on my phone or something, like on TikTok or something like that. But I never saw the whole video and I never saw it on YouTube. But we here now. And I see Phineas in the back, bro. We got everybody from the other reactions. I don't want to hold y'all up too much, but Drizzy Gang and the Hood Drizzy Gang was good, family. Hey, man, shout out to everybody who's been rocking with me. We about to hit 4K really, really soon. Hey, more Billie Eilish content coming on the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to try to be a little more consistent with y'all. Just got a new job, so we're trying to get things, you know what I'm saying, handled these past 24 hours. But we here. You know what I'm saying? We here. Or I should say 48 hours. Because I did try to upload 2 days ago. Or a day ago. But YouTube was helping me, so I had to put that bitch on Patreon. Go watch it. You know what I'm saying? But we here now. We got Birds of a Feather live. Let's get straight to it, man. Let's see what it's talking about. Let's see what it's talking about. Okay.
I want you to stay.
Yeah. Let's see how the live version of this is.
Till I'm in the grave.
This is the second live version. We reacted to the one at the Olympics.
Till I ride away.
Okay.
Then I bury you.
Okay.
Till I'm in the casket. You can't.
YouTube, do not block this motherfucker, bro. Do not block this, bro. I'll be very, very tight. I'll be very, very mad, bro, because it's supposed to be a main channel worthy. If she got this bitch on her YouTube, why can't it go on mine? You feel me? Anyway, let's get to it.
I'm going to.
Okay.
'Cause it was always you.
Yeah.
Alright. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me.
Yeah.
Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather.
Ooh, hold on.
Should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the way.
Hold on. Which version y'all rocking with more? Y'all rocking with the studio version or y'all rocking with this? I ain't gonna lie, this is a whole different vibe. You know what I'm saying? Without all the bass in the back and the drums and shit. Hold on, bro. Hold on. I don't know which one I like more.
Might not be forever, but if
The background singers too?
it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more.
I'm loving the polos, bro.
Long, but baby,
Yes, yeah.
I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till
Hey, bro, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Listen. I know I've been making my titles like it's about time that I marry this girl, but I think it's actually time that I, you know what I'm saying, go to one of her tour dates. You know what I'm saying? Just show up to the stadium and try to meet her, bro. At this point, bro. Like, there's only so much that I can do, bro, from a screen. You know what I'm saying? Like, me and this girl, bro, y'all gotta get my name out there, bro. Me and her gotta do a collab video, bro. It's only right, bro. Y'all gotta make that happen, man. Real talk.
the light leaves my eyes.
Go under her comments and spam Ty2True, bro.
Till the day that I die.
If you a real one, if you really rocking with your kid, you gonna do it.
I want you to see
Okay.
just how you look to me.
Yeah. Ooh.
'Cause you wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Okay.
You would keep the compliments I throw you. You're
Yes.
so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit.
Ooh.
No. Say
Nah, I ain't like she fucking this up, though.
your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying
Bro, did y'all hear what I just heard? Oh my gosh, nah, bro, nah. This is crazy, bro. Like, bro, man, Billy, bro. Why can't we just pop out and show them, bro? Like, why can't we just pop out, bro? Like, I think it's about time, man. Like, anything left? Fuck that shit up. That nigga Phineas is the best, standing in the back like a proud dad. That's crazy.
Okay.
Well, I feel pretty good.
That was tough.
Even
talking shit here, though.
guys.
Yay!
Man, I ain't gonna lie. Shout out Billie Eilish, bro. My baby, man. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Rotate K. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out this bitch.